Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we're making an easy recipe for peanut butter oatmeal no-bake cookies. Let's get started. Only a few simple ingredients. We need 1.5 cups or 300 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, a 1/4 cup or 80 grams of butter, half a cup or 120 milliliters of milk, half a cup or 125 grams of peanut butter, half a cup or 30 grams of shredded coconut. This one is optional. 2 cups or 170 grams of oats. In a small saucepan, combine sugar, salt, vanilla, milk, and butter. Heat over high heat, stirring frequently until butter completely melts and the mixture comes to a good rolling boil. Remove from heat, add the peanut butter and stir in until peanut butter melts. Stir in coconut and oats and combine with the peanut butter mixture. Spoon mixture onto parchment paper. Allow to set for about an hour at room temperature or half an hour in the fridge. These cookies are soft and sweet and taste of peanut butter. The oats and coconut give it a lovely texture. They are also quite easy to make, so they're great for beginning bakers. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.